In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Docusign. Whether you're a new user or someone who's revisiting after some time away, this guide will walk you through the straightforward steps of accessing your Docusign account easily and efficiently. Let's dive right in and get you signed into Docusign without any hassle. First up, you need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other modern browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the address bar at the top of the screen and simply type in docusign.com. If you're in a region with location-specific URLs, don't worry, as the main website will happily redirect you to the appropriate version for your area. Once the Docusign homepage loads, you'll find yourself at the hub of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Here you'll notice a plethora of options and information regarding their services, but don't get sidetracked. What you're looking for is the login button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. This button is your gateway to accessing your personal Docusign account, so go ahead and click on it. As you click on the login button, you will be directed to the login page. This is where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're a returning user, simply input the email address associated with your account into the designated field. Remember to double check your email spelling for accuracy, as an incorrect email could lead to login errors, which no one wants. Following this, move on to the password field. Enter your password carefully, taking into consideration any case sensitivity. A useful tip here is to ensure that your caps lock isn't accidentally turned on, as this simple oversight is a common source of frustration when passwords don't match. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. Docusign makes it easy to reset. Look for the forgot password link near the password field and follow the prompts provided to reset your password securely. Once you've filled in both fields accurately, click the login button to proceed. The system will take a brief moment to process your credentials, and if all is in order, you'll be welcomed back into your account. At this point, you're ready to navigate your Docusign dashboard. Here, you can manage documents, track agreements, and perform a variety of tasks depending on what you need to accomplish. And there you have it. Signing into Docusign is simple and seamless. Keep your login credentials safe, and you'll always have easy access to Docusign's robust suite of tools whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and happy signing!